Hi everyone, this is your math guru. Today we are going to be adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe and like button below for more easy to understand math concepts. In the first example, we have 3x over 2 plus 4x over 5. Just like your normal fraction, when you're adding or subtracting, you first of all need to make sure that your denominators are the same. In this example, your denominators are 2 and 5. The LCM for 2 and 5 is 10. LCM is your lowest common multiple. So in the first fraction, we have 3x over 2. To make our denominator 10, that means we need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 5. So you have 3x times 5 and 2 times 5. That would make the denominator 10. And also, whatever you do at the top, you do at the bottom. At the second fraction, you have 4x over 5. To make the denominator 10, you need to multiply 5 by 2. And if you multiply 5 by 2, you need to multiply 4x by 2. Now we are going to have 5 times 3x, that will give us 15x, over 5 times 2, that's 10, plus 4x times 2, 8x, over 5 times 2, 10. Now that the denominators are the same, you can add the numerators, which is 15x plus 8x, over putting them under the same denominator, which is 10. You have 23x over 10. Let's look at another example. In this example, you have 2x over 3 plus 3x over 4. Our denominators are 3 and 4. The LCM, or the lowest common multiple for 3 and 4, is 12. So therefore, you need to make the denominators the same before you can add. You have the first fraction, which is 2x over 3. To make the denominator 12, you multiply 3 by 4. And whatever you do at the bottom, you do at the top. On the other side, you have 3x over 4. To make 4 12, you need to multiply 4 by 3, because 4 times 3 is 12. And whatever you do at the bottom, you do at the top. Now you have 4 times 2x, it's x, over 4 times 3, 12, plus 3x times 3, that's 9x, over 4 times 3, 12. And once the denominators are the same, you put the fraction under the same denominator, which is 12. Then at the top, you have 8x plus 9x. 8x plus 9x, that's 17x, all over 12. In this example, you have to subtract x over 4 from x over 2. Like we did in the previous example, we need to find our lowest common multiple, or LCM. For 2 and 4, the LCM is 4. So for x over 2, we need to make the denominator 4 by multiplying 2 by 2. 2 by 2 will give us 4. And whatever you do at the top, you do at the bottom. Minus x over 4. This is already 4, so we don't need to change it anymore. Next step, 2 times x, we have 2x. 2 times 2, that's 4, minus x over 4. The denominators are the same, so you put your fractions over the same denominator, which is 4. At the top, you subtract your numerators. 2x minus x, that will give us x over 4. Let's try out one more example. In this example, we have 9x over 6 minus 2x over 5. The lowest common multiple for 6 and 5, or the LCM, is 30. So for our first fraction, 9x over 6, to make the denominator 30, we need to multiply 6 by 5. We do the same at the top. On the other side, we have minus 2x over 5. To make 530, we need to multiply it by 6, because 5 times 6 is 30. And whatever you do at the bottom, you do at the top. Our new fraction will now be 9 times 5, that is 45x over 30, minus 2x times 6, that's 12x, 5 times 6, 30. The denominators are the same, so I'm going to put my fraction over the same denominator, and then I subtract my numerator. I'm going to extend my fraction bar. That's 12x. 45x minus 12x will give you 33x over 30. I can simplify by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 3. Always remember, when simplifying fractions, whatever you do at the top, you do at the bottom. 33 divided by 3 will give us 11x, and 30 divided by 3 will give us 10. Thanks for watching. Bye.